Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Dina Hikmatul Zahra with the last digit of the student ID number 014. Now, I will discuss one topic. At what age should children be allowed to use social media? This discussion is proposed to fulfill one of the English language lab assignment. Now, social media has become one of the most important things, even very important for us to get information about anything. Because technology is increasingly sophisticated, it makes us inevitably have to go with the flow. So, this technology is new to everyone. We are required to understand and be able to use technology for positive things, for learning and communicating. But there must be a negative impact from using it. One of them is for children. Connecting with the topic that I will discuss, in accordance with the personal data bill from the Ministry of Communication and Informatics, which proposed the age limit for having a social media account is 17 years old. If children under that age already have social media, there must be approval from parents. Also for information, social media such as YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook implement a minimum user age limit of 13 years old. Even though this has been implemented, parents in the end still provide access to social media for their children, and parents can focus on their work. According to the research result of Neurosensum Indonesia Consumers Trend 2021 regarding social media impact on kids, 87% of children in Indonesia are introduced to social media before turning 13 years old. In fact, as many as 92% from lower middle families know social media early. On average, Indonesian children are familiar with social media at the age of 7 years old. Of the 92% of children from lower middle families, 54% were introduced to social media before they were 6 years old. The use of social media in lower middle families begins when the child is around 7 years old, earlier than in upper middle class families, which is around 9 years old. This figure is a significant number when compared to high income families, where are only 34% used social media before they reach that age. With us knowing it all, so where should we start? What should we do? The first is the idea of developing this awareness. Learn how to use it. We also have to be able to choose what children can use and what they can't. Secondly, as a parent, you must be able to set restriction on the use of social media for children, daily or weekly. Now, there is a feature where parents can access their children's gadget. So, parents can monitor children's activities in using social media. Also, giving understanding to children about social media is important regarding point number 1. Parents should learn how to use social media as well, and this is also related to the next point. Then, the third is to help the children find out why. This idea really helps children identify and understand what the benefits are using social media, and children can think about it's good for them or not. So, the conclusion is that the normal age for a child to have a social media account is 17 years old. But by looking at the development of social media right now, well as a pandemic, it is undeniable that even children under 17 years old need social media, with the condition that parents must be able to regulate and guide their children in the use of social media. When we do it all, we become more open to help children in an objective way that protects them When we do it all, we become more open to help children in an objective way that protects them from some of the harmful, threatening, and dangerous things that may happen online or in real life. That's all I can talk about on this topic. I'm sorry if I said a lot of wrong words. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.